Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're introducing the DAREU Dual Modes Gamer Mouse. This isn't just any gaming mouse, it's a game changer. With both 2.4G wireless and wired modes, it ensures a smooth and efficient gaming experience. The mouse is equipped with a built-in 930 mAh recharging battery and a macro set, making it versatile and convenient for any gamer. What sets this mouse apart is its unique rainbow RGB mice streamer effect. The bottom light strip of the gaming mouse offers multiple RGB lighting modes, allowing you to customize the lighting to your preference. Please note, if you plan to use our mouse to play PS4 games, you'll need to prepare a PS4 converter. Check out the link below to get yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.